Alright y'all, what is going on? Welcome to another episode of RAA. Got my dad and we got the kayaks, we got a bunch of baits, pilchards and mullet, and we're fishing the river. Tarpon's the main goal, along with snooks and maybe big jacks. And it's that time of year where some sharks will probably come into play. My main goal is to get my dad on a tarpon or someone to get a tarpon. As you can see, let me point up to the sky real quick. If you can't tell, it's very overcast, which is a good thing because these tarpon most likely chew in the overcast. I've caught my biggest tarpon when it's overcast. If you guys want some apparel like this, I'll leave a link in the description below and use this discount code right here. You will get yourself a nice discount. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. Like, comment, share, do all that good YouTube stuff. I'm excited. I'm gonna start throwing topwaters in the morning. He's gonna be throwing live bait. We're gonna see what we can do. Let's do this thing. Ooh, I had a hit right there. There was a hit. There's a fish right there, a little tarpon. Dad, tarpon on. Whoa, little baby. Crushed the little mullet. Absolutely crushed it. Do a little jump. Come on, do another jump. I'll take that. First fish of the day. There's more over here too. Can I come over to you? Alright y'all, a little pony. Little two. Alright buddy, relax. Little 2-3 pound tarpon. Well, got one down. Got some boats coming in. I'm filming this, it's not coming out on it, but when I'm filming this, it is a weekend, little Saturday, so I usually don't fish on Saturdays. But my dad wanted to go out, so I said, why not? Trying to get him on a tarpon, but it just seems like whenever I come, I catch a fish on a lure, and he can't even get one on a live bait, which is crazy. There's some fish underneath this dock, that's for sure. Oh no! What just happened? Oh my God. I just got wrecked. No. Alright, let me try this again. Oh, there it is again! Golly! Again, it's this hook, man. I don't have a big enough hook. But I'm gonna see if I think it's a small tarpon, but... Dude, your mullet's going crazy. We can get one to eat. Dude, those are some nice sized tarpon, Dad. Was he going that way or towards your bait? Just stay calm, Dad. All you can do is stay calm. You're geeking. Go! Real! Yeah, Dad, yeah! Yeah, Dad, let's go, real! Oh. Let's go! Let's go! Dude, I literally turn around and I see that. I'm like, oh my God. Don't forget to bow if he jumps. Do not forget to bow if he jumps. Just take your time. Take your time. Work him. Oh my freaking God. There goes your bobber. Just stay hooked. Just stay pinned. Did you bow to him? Just take your time. You know how to fight fish. If he's running, let him run. These things take time to...
Right there, bro.
I know, but Dad, he's gonna go on a couple of runs. That was sick. Take your time. I understand that, but he's gonna go on a couple of runs. He sees you. He's gonna jump. You didn't bow. You did not bow. You did not bow.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh. How big was that?
That was like 30, 20. Dad. Come here, come here. Oh my God.
My guy's on the water looking right.
That's good.
A little nervous.
Wasn't it? Oh, just wait, 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 wait. He didn't eat it. He didn't eat it. He has not eaten it yet. Now he ate it. Go, 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 go. Go, real quick. There you go, Dad. There you go. You got him? Has he jumped? He's towing you around. Dad! Dude! That wasn't a small one. There's a fish. I think it's a shark though. Oh, no, it's a gar. Oh, fantastic. Love that. There's a fish on... Oh my God! That he destroyed the no live bait right there. That was a good fish. I think I just got smoked. Yeah, just...
Perfect.
What do I got here? Oh, it's a... What is this? I got a fish, whatever it is. It just burned a hole right through my hand here. Oh, it's a shark. Oh, heck yeah, boys. I thought it was a tarpon. Nice little bull shark. I'll take it. Perfectly hooked. Get the pliers out here because I don't want to mess with you, buddy. Oh, there he goes. Oh man, okay. I'm done. Let's go home.